So I just filmed few YouTube videos and you can see my background, the white background. Yesterday also I filmed but I couldn't show that look to you guys, but I'll put a photo right here which I filmed. So it's been 3 days since I filmed that video and I was busy filming for YouTube and Instagram and creating a lot of brand content. So yeah, so I just wanted to show these earrings that I got from a brand and also the lipstick. I also love this pink top, by the way. So I can see this is my outfit. So this is my look. Hey guys, I'm very excited because I'm going to shoot for a brand. Like I'm going to use few products with my vlog camera. So let's see how this camera is shooting a beauty video. So I am in a bathrobe today. So I'm going to use two of my favorite products from Mamaearth. I generally shoot with my Canon 80D. So I'm going to use my Canon G7X Mark III and see how a beauty video, like how it shoots for my YouTube. So it is night time right now. So I am done for the day. And as I said, I'm going to shoot one of the beauty videos with this new vlogging camera. So I'm going to do my nighttime skincare routine, so I thought I'll share it with you guys. So firstly I'm going to wash my face with Mamaearth face wash. So this contains turmeric and saffron and I've been using this from off lately from about 2 months and I'm in love with this. So I'll just wet my face and I'll be right back and I'll speak more about these ingredients and how to use as I wash my face. So I just wet my face and I'm in love with this face wash. So it contains your aloe vera. You know I'm such a fan of aloe vera. Vitamin E, it contains coconut oil and it also contains carrot seed oil. So a lot of ingredients are there in this. So I'm going to take a small tiny amount. You can see it is in this yellowy, granular kind of consistency. I'm just going to take little amount and start scrubbing in circular motions on my wet skin, and all of the areas where the dead skin accumulates, I'm just going to nicely scrub myself. The smell of this is so good. It smells of the turmeric and the saffron in it. So I just want to concentrate on my forehead, on the temples of my face, the tips of the nose, and just scrub in circular motions inwards, and also my neck and the ends of the lip. This is dermatologically tested. It is paraben free. It is sulfate free. The best thing about this is that it is suitable for all skin types. So I'm quickly going to just rinse my face and I'll be right back. So you can see the glow on my face by just one wash, how much glow has come. So this in combination with my night mask, the Upton night mask is warm. So it gives natural glow. When you wake up in the morning, you can definitely see that glow. So before I apply that, I'm just going to pat dry my face. So you can see the fairness instantly before and after, how much difference is there. I can feel my skin is so soft right now because of the face wash. So I highly recommend you guys to get this. I also have a discount code with them in the description, so do check out. So I also want to speak about the Night Upton face mask by Mamaearth. Oh my god, this is so good. So this in combination, like after you wash your face, when you use this, you will definitely see a difference, like how good it is. It is also in LOE kind of consistency because it has saffron, it has niacinamide and it has turmeric. So this is the, you can see how much I've used up. It smells so good. It is in this wax, sticky kind of consistency. So I'm just going to take a little amount and just apply on my face. Just applying on my face. So it is paraben free, it is silicone free, it is dermatologically tested, and it also has bioactive ingredients which work overnight when you're sleeping. Really love this and I highly recommend you guys to get them. And that Mamaearth makes all their products which are very friendly, which are very environment friendly. So I highly recommend you guys to get this, and this in combination with that face wash is bomb. So yeah, that's it. I have to speak about these two products, one of my two favorite products from Mamaearth. It has this very soothing kind of effect. When you wake up the next morning, you can definitely see a difference. So let me know how did my vlogging camera work when shooting for a beauty video which I'm shooting for the first time. And also highly recommend you guys to get this vlogging camera. The links to this will be in the description, so do check out. So I'm very tired right now. I also want to show you guys the mess that I've made. This is basically all of the mess, and even this I have to arrange all of this, and even on the bed you can see a lot of mess is there. So yeah, I have to do a little bit of organization. So I want to talk about, let me show you these earrings. So these are the earrings, you can see they're so good. It has this glitter rhinestone kind of thing. So yeah, I'm really loving my G7X camera, it's so good. I'm trying to figure out exact way how to vlog using my camera. So I think I'm going to keep it, you know, I've been filming so that if I do not like it, I can return it, but I think I like it. It's very easy to use. I'm waiting for my cold shoe mount so that I can put my mic as well. So then we'll know the difference, like when I film with the mic and the inbuilt camera mic, like what's the difference. So basically I'll know when I'm editing this. So I was just combing my hair, so I thought I'll just show that as well. So what I like to do is just detangle with a wide tooth comb and just brush out all of the any tangles. Then I like to use my normal like your regular comb and just even out everything. So I have my ring light right here. You can see the difference when you film with a ring light. It's so good. So what I like to do is I just made a ponytail, and this is mostly 90% of the time this is the hairstyle that I do. Just make a ponytail and do your regular 3-strand braid. So then just your regular braid. So you can also make this into a bun. I'll just show you how. And just put your rubber tie. And what you can do is, for example, if this is what I do 90%, so this is how it is. Then what you can do is you can make this into a bun as well, and you can just see, you can make this into a bun as well. Your bun will hold very good. Then just take your regular Tic Tac and just put here, and see, you can see it will hold. So yeah, a hack for you guys. So I got myself Faluda. I really love strawberry Faluda. I'm going to try this out and see how it is. So good. So let me know how you felt about the vlogging experience. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much if you watched till the end. Let me know in the comments if you have any suggestions for me, or which products do you want me to try. I will definitely try them out. So that's it. Thank you so much if you watched till the end. This is Deepa bidding bye. Bye guys.